Here with Dan Dwyer from Eastern Rural. How was the Dalby sale today, Dan?
Thanks, Sam. Today, combined agency up to a total of 7,278 head, up 1,900 on last week. The market was firm to dearer in all categories. Now for your place.
Bullock 600 kg plus 370 to 494 to average 450, up 15. Heavy feeder steers 4 to 500 kg 410 to 532 to average 520, up 14. Heavy feeder heifer 4 to 500 kg 410 to 480 to average 444, up 8. Prime cow 520 kg plus 348 to 420 to average 399, up 3. Medium cow 4 to 500 kg 201 to 375 to average 330, up 8. Store cows up to 400 kg 229 to 320 to average 298, up 3. Heavy bulls 250 to 440 to average 405, up 7. Light bulls 296 to 498 to average 419, up 2. Yearling feeder steers 3 to 400 kg 385 to 568 to average 533, up 20. Yearling feeder heifers 3 to 400 kg 300 to 492 to average 466, up 20. Weaner steers 2 to 280 kg 380 to 580 to average 529, up 31. Weaner heifers 2 to 280 kg 280 to 478 to average 404, back 10.
This has been Dan Dwyer with this week's Dalby Market Report. Next week, Eastern Rural is selling in 7th position. Get your bookings in nice and early. Thank you.